What if I told you that you don't need hours to learn English? You don't need expensive courses, and you don't even need a partner to practice speaking. All you need is just 10 minutes a day. Yes, only 10 minutes. But here's the truth. Most people fail not because English is hard. They fail because they don't practice the right way. In this video, I will show you a simple, powerful 10-minute daily routine that can completely change your English speaking skills. And the best part, you can start today, right after this video. So stay with me till the end, because your English journey is about to become easy, practical, and real. Part 1. Why most people don't improve. Let's be honest. You already know some English, right? You understand words, maybe grammar too, but when it's time to speak, you hesitate. Why? Because you are translating in your mind, afraid of making mistakes. Not practicing real-life speaking English is not a subject, it is a skill. And like any skill, you improve it by doing, not just learning. So from today, we stop memorizing and start speaking like in real life. Part 2, the 10-minute daily routine. Here's your daily plan. Minute 1 to 2, think in English. Minute 3 to 5, speak about your life. Minute 6 to 8, practice real conversations. Minute 9 to 10, repeat and improve simple, powerful, effective. Let's break it down step by step. Part 3. Step 1. Think in English. Start your practice by thinking in English. Look around you and say, "This is my room. I am sitting on a chair. I feel a little tired today." Don't translate. Just think directly in English. Even if your sentences are simple, it's okay, because simple English is real English. Do this for just 2 minutes every day, and slowly your brain will stop translating. Part 4. Step 2. Talk about your life. Now speak about your daily life. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast. I am planning to study. Talk like you are telling a story. You can stand in front of a mirror and speak. At first you may feel shy, but remember, no one is watching you. This is your practice time. This step builds confidence. Part 5. Step 3. Practice real conversations. Now let's make it more real. Imagine situations. For example, at a shop. "Hello, how much is this? Can I get a discount?" With a friend. "How was your day? What are you doing now?" On the phone. "Hello, can you hear me? I will call you later." Speak both sides of the conversation. Yes, talk to yourself, because this is how you prepare for real situations. Part 6. Step 4. Repeat and improve. Now repeat what you said, but better. Example. First try. "I go market yesterday." Improve it. "I went to the market yesterday." Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. The more you correct yourself, the faster you improve. Part 7. Bonus tips to speak faster. 21 minutes to 23 minutes. Here are 3 powerful tips. Speak slowly but clearly. Don't rush. Clarity is more important than speed. Use simple sentences. Don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound natural. Practice daily without break. Consistency is the real secret. Even 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours. Once a week. Outro. Motivation. 23 minutes to 25 minutes. Let me tell you something important. Fluent English is not magic. It is a result of daily small efforts. If you follow this 10-minute routine every day, in 30 days, you will see a difference. In 60 days, you will feel confident. And in 90 days, people will notice your English. Part 8. Real Life Practice Challenge. 25 minutes to 28 minutes. Now I want to give you a small challenge. Don't skip this. Right after this video, take your phone and record yourself speaking in English for 2 minutes. Topic: my day or my plans for tomorrow. At first, you may feel uncomfortable. You may stop. You may make mistakes. That's perfectly okay, because this is how confidence is built. When you record yourself, you hear your mistakes. You notice your pauses. You improve faster. Do this every day, and you will see real progress. Part 9. What to do when you don't know words. 28 minutes to 31 minutes. This is a big problem for many learners. You want to say something, but you don't know the exact word. So what do? You stop speaking. That's the mistake. Instead, use simple English to explain your idea. For example, you don't know the word calculator. Say, a machine we use for counting numbers. You don't know umbrella. Say, something we use when it rains. This is called communication skill. Fluent speakers don't always use difficult words. They use smart ways to express ideas. Part 10. How to remove fear while speaking. 31 minutes to 35 minutes. Let's talk about fear. Fear of making mistakes, being judged, speaking wrong English. But think about this. When a child learns to speak, do they speak perfectly? No, they make mistakes again and again, but still, they keep speaking. That's why they become fluent. So from today, don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Replace this thought, what if I make mistakes, with this, what if I improve today? Part 11. Daily situations. Practice. 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Let's do some quick real-life practice together. Repeat after me. At home, I am feeling a little tired today. I will finish my work first. Outside, excuse me, can you help me? Where is the nearest shop? With friends, let's go out today. That sounds like a great idea. At work or study, I will complete this task. Can you explain this again? Practice these daily. These are the sentences you actually use in real life. Part 12. Build your speaking habit. 40 minutes to 43 minutes. Now listen carefully. Motivation will not help you every day, but habits will. So fix a time. Maybe morning after waking up, night before sleeping, and follow your 10-minute routine. No excuses. Even if you feel lazy, do it for just 5 minutes. Because once you start, you will continue. Consistency beats everything. Part 13. Your 30-day transformation plan. 43 minutes to 46 minutes. Let's make this practical. Day 1 to 10. Focus on thinking in English. Day 11 to 20. Speak daily about your life. Day 21 to 30. Practice conversations confidently. After 30 days, you will hesitate less. You will speak more naturally. You will feel more confident. And that's your first big win. Final outrow. Strong closing. 46 minutes to end. Let me ask you one question. If you don't start today, then when? Next week? Next month? Or never? Your English will not improve by watching videos alone. It will improve when you take action. So make a promise to yourself. From today, I will practice English for 10 minutes daily. Say it again, because this small habit can change your future. Part 14. Turn practice into a game. Bonus engagement section. Let's make learning fun. Because when learning feels like a game, you never feel bored. Try this. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Pick any topic and challenge yourself to speak continuously without stopping. For example, my favorite food, my best friend, My daily routine. If you stop, start again. Day by day, increase your time. This game improves fluency, confidence, thinking speed. And the best part, you can do it anytime, anywhere. Part 15. Learn by listening and copying. One powerful trick is listen and repeat. Watch English videos, movies, or short clips. Pause and repeat what you hear. Try to copy. Pronunciation, tone, speed. For example, I'll call you later. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. This technique is called shadowing, and it helps you sound more natural. So part 16, train your brain to think fast. Here's a quick mental exercise. I will say a word. You say a sentence immediately. Ready? Food. I love eating spicy food. Work. I have a lot of work today. Friend. My friend is very helpful. Do this daily with random words. This will train your brain to think faster, respond quickly, speak naturally. Part 17. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's fix some common mistakes. Trying to be perfect. Focus on communication. Using very difficult words. Use simple and clear English. Not practicing daily. Practice even for 5 to 10 minutes. Being afraid of mistakes. Learn from mistakes. Remember, fluency is not about perfection. It's about confidence and clarity. Part 18. How to practice without a partner. Many people say, I don't have anyone to practice with. No problem. You can. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Speak in front of a mirror. Think in English all day. You are your best practice partner. Don't wait for others. Start with yourself. Part 19. Daily affirmations for confidence. Say these lines every day. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I speak with confidence. Your mindset matters. When you believe in yourself, your performance improves automatically. Part 20. Final action plan. Super clear. Let's make it very simple. Every day, 2 minutes. Think in English, 3 minutes. Talk about your life, 3 minutes. Practice conversations, 2 minutes. Improve and repeat. That's it. Only 10 minutes. But if you do it daily, it will change your speaking forever. Ultimate closing. Very strong ending. Before you leave, remember this. You don't need perfect grammar, big vocabulary, expensive courses. You only need daily practice, simple sentences, confidence to speak one day. You'll speak English without thinking. One day, you will not feel nervous, and that day starts with today. So don't wait. Start your 10-minute practice now. And I promise you, your future will be different.